Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to crochet in the round. So to begin, we are going to make a magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, check out my video on how to make a magic ring. So we're going to make 6 single crochet in our magic ring. I've sped it up so you don't have to watch me make this in slow motion. So once you finish your 6th single crochet, pull your magic ring tight. And now you're done with your first round. So to continue, you're just going to find where that first stitch was in that round and just do a normal single crochet into it, just as you would any other single crochet. If you struggle to find where that first single crochet is, because it can be difficult, you can always count back around to the first stitch because you know there are 6 stitches there. Once you finish your first stitch of this round, place your stitch marker in it to keep your place. Hey, just a quick reminder, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you'd like to use some of the same items I'm using, check out the links below. Okay, so now that we are done with our first round and we've started our second round, we are going to put 2 single crochets in each stitch. So at the end of this round, you should have 12 stitches. And I'm going back into this same stitch to make my second stitch. So now you should have 4 stitches so far placed in the 2 stitches below it. So now that you have 12 stitches all the way around, you are back to the beginning of this round. So you're going to take your stitch marker out and then crochet into that next stitch. And then you're going to place your stitch marker back in that stitch. This is how you know where the beginning of your round is. And you just keep doing this for as many rounds as you want. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a good evening. Bye!